Welcome back friends. Welcome you all in the new session of JavaScript Fundamentals by Tutorial Live. In the previous session we have seen how we can add and remove elements from array using push and pop method. Today we are going to see some more methods of array that is provided by JavaScript. Okay, so those are shift, unshift and delete method. So let's start with that. Do that, to use shift unshift method, I have declared one array my arr2. Okay, that is having four elements. The first one element is tutorial live, second one is a boolean element, third one is a num integer element, and fourth is again a string element. If I just console.log this particular thing at this time, console.log my array 2, so we will find that there are four elements in the array at this time. Okay, and the length of the array is 4. What shift method do? Shift method, as in the last session we have seen that pop methods removes the element from the rear end or the left side of the array or the last element of the array first once we call the pop method. Similarly, the shift method also removes the element from the array, but it will remove the element from the front end or from the left side of the or from the first element of the array. Means if I use the push method, it will remove my element from the this particular array, but if I use shift method, it will remove tutorial live first from this particular array. So let's use that my arr2.shift method. Similarly, we were using the push pop method. So at this time, if I use this particular shift and console.log this particular shift after this for this array, we will see the tutorial live is removed from this array, and now we have the rest of the element false 99 and my element in this array remaining. Okay, and the length of the array is now 3. So what pop will do? Pop will remove the element from the rear end of the array. However, shift will remove the element from the front end or from the top end of the array. Similarly, if I call my array.shift once again, my arr2.shift, what it will do? Just try to think which element it should remove from the array at this time. It will remove false from the array. At this time the first one element of the array. Let's console.log this thing. Console.log my array2. So now we have false removed from this array and only two elements, 99 and my element in this particular array. Okay, to remove the element from the rear end from the bottom side of the array, we will use pop method. To remove any element from its top end or the front side of the array, we will use the shift method. Similarly, we have reverse of this particular method, unshift. To add element from the rear side or from the bottom end of the array, we will use the push method. We will use unshift method if I want to add any element from the top side of the array. Let's try to use this particular method. In the same array, I am using unshift method. Totally reverse of this particular, totally opposite of this particular shift method. This is shift, this is unshift method. I want to add one element at top. Okay, so once I console.log this array, now we will find that element at the top is the first element of this particular array. It has added the element at the 0th index. If I now add any more element in this particular array, my arr2.unshift, then 10. Okay, now console.log this particular thing, console.log and my arr2, it will return the 10 is at the top. If I use true a boolean value, it can add that also. Let's see, now we have true at the first position or the 0th index of the array. So it is totally reverse of the push method. Push adds the element from the rear end of the array. However, unshift adds the element in the same way, but it adds the element from the top end of the array. Now we have one more method. If I want to delete something from array, so we have directly delete method. For that, how we can use? We will use delete my array and the index from where I want to remove the element. If I want to remove the element from the first index, I have put my array to delete word. then my array, the array name and the index value in the square bracket, it will remove the element from the array. But what it does, it has created an empty place in the array, that is hole in the array. So delete, we can use some places, but if I just check the length of this array at this time, what is the length of the array? Console dot log my array2 dot length is the property, so we need not to use parenthesis here. So length of the array is now 4. So earlier also length of the array, before using this particular delete method, if I just check console dot log my array2 dot length, that time also the length of the array was 4. Once I use this particular delete method and deleted one element from the array, at that time also the length of the array is 4. It has now it has created an empty hole in this particular array, but it has not changed the length of the array. So this is something, as per use you can use delete method also, but we have some more methods to get rid of this particular hole from the array. We will see those things in our upcoming session. So hope to see you in the next session. Thanks for joining today.